Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to check me out. I appreciate it. This is Elaine, and today I want to show you something that I just purchased. But before I do that, I want to go back a little bit. And if you remember, I had purchased this lap book from Grammy's Keepsakes. Lori made it, and let me get it undone here. And it was made with blueprints that she had gotten from me. And I was so tickled about it and everything. I got a little snafu here. Hold on a second. I'm hung up on something. And this needs to be tied up is my problem. And anyway, the other day she put some field guides up on her Etsy shop. And so I said, look at that. The fabric matches. So I had to have it. So I did open this envelope. I did. And then I got to thinking, I said, you know what? I need to just reveal it on a video. So I didn't go any farther. This is where I stopped. So let's reach in here and see what she has sent me. This will be the first time I've seen it. Look at this. It's like she took a napkin and made an envelope out of it. So there's my receipt, I'm sure. Look how cute that is. And sure enough, here we go. The material matches. So I thought that would be so cute to stick inside of my lap book. So let's take a look inside and see it up close and personal. Now, she's got a little closure on it. That is really cool. I like how she did all of that. That is clever, Lori. So here we go. And faith, valor, and wisdom. And then I've got some ephemera in the pocket. When it comes to art, it's important not to hide the madness. Well, if you know me. And I did ask her, because here's the thing. Let me go back and tell you the story. I saw that she had done this. And she had done like 30 of them, different covers and everything. And she was showing us the process. Well, number 6 was the one with the same fabric. So I reached out to her and I said, I want number 6. And she said, too late. It's on the way to the UK. I was like, darn. So I stewed on it for a little while. And so I saw where she was making one for someone else. Number 31. And I said to her, I sent her a private message and I said, can I be number 32 and you use that fabric if you have any left? And she said, well, you're going to be number 33. So she has sold a bunch of these. And so here I am with the fabric. She made this for me. And I did ask her if she could put some of the same blueprint paper in it if she had any left, or I could send her more. But that way it would kind of, match the lap book as well. So she did. And it's really cute. It is really for writing in. And when you're out and about, as she said, for field notes. So I do appreciate her making this special for me. And here's a little envelope. Tuck some things away. And it is just the right size to stick in my purse. I am so tickled with it. And what I like too, I see is, I didn't really think about it, but it's pliable. And it's made from a hanging folder. And there's a library card and a library pocket. And that looks like some scrapbook paper. So it is just perfect. And it matches the one I have. So Lori, thank you very much. You do great work. You are so precise and you are so meticulous. And I will treasure everything that I get from you. And I appreciate it, you being my friend. And I will catch you all later down the road. Please give me a thumbs up. Go give Lori a thumbs up. Subscribe to both of us. And y'all behave. I'll see you next time. Bye.